He's gorgeous, isn't he?
It's a boy.
Oh, so it's not Hazel.
It's got Hazel today.
Oh, you.
Travis.
So you got more than one.
We've got about 140 in the company.
I fucking am away.
And has this been successful?
It's only the second
Look at
day.
them talent.
Oh, really?
It's only the second day, but the pigeons have just scattered.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. I was like, yeah, like, pretty much like a standing plate, isn't it?
How old is he?
But they've got the power, the power when it goes like that.
Yeah, no, but standing made a break.
I didn't want to walk in front of your camera. Oh, you've turned. Hello.
Don't get too close to him.
I'm not getting any closer than this. Look at him. So are they a natural predator to the pigeons then? Wow.
What type is it? It's a Harris Hawk.
Harris Hawk. Look at you. Wow. Thank you.
Oh, is it a boy? Did you have a girl the other day?
No, my colleague had a girl yesterday.
Oh, come on, Travis. Come on. Which do you think is the head pigeon that tells them where they're going?
That one.
Head honcho pigeon.
The one at the front.
They're not fighting with him.
And he's just over there.
In the article, it was saying the hawks will not be hurting the pigeons, just scaring them. I'm assuming people thought that maybe they were there to like hunt the pigeons. Yeah, they'll just go dead pigeons everywhere.
Yeah.
I think it's going to work.
I think it has. The thing is, there's more chances of them shitting on your head now.
Oh, there is that.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go.
Travis is on his phone. I'm just assuming he's also called Travis. I only spilled one mushy pea.
Oh, there we go. There we go. He's getting him. Here comes Travis. Oh, look at that. They are. He's only got to move his wings, you know. Oh. Has he?
I don't trust the Travis discipline.
Where's he gone?
On a lamppost over there, look.
You're joking. Really?
No, I'm not joking.
What lamppost? What lamppost, Claire? I'm using my eyes and I can't see him, Claire.
Come over here, let's see him.
Oh! Wow! Wow! Look at him!
Travis might mean. I think Travis might get them. I don't think it on Travis. Travis like me and good. Come on, Travis.
Come on, Travis. You're being called.
Do you think we have City Hall? Travis doesn't. I'm afraid that's only a bit of a moment. Travis, naughty boy.
Come on, Travis. You're being called. Oh, here he come. Here he come. Oh, no. God, I bet he's loving this.
Yeah, and you just feel slightly embarrassed.
Look at him.
Feeling it in his wings. It's like the air on his wings.
Come on, Travis. There you go. Oh, he's off.
Oh,
Wow.
Over there.
He's never known free.
Well, why no more?
Dead one, mind you. Yeah, I won't do that one again. No, but I've still got Coke. Look at the birds. Well, he's not attacking them, is he? It's not like there's a mass bloodbath. I know. Go on, you can get back.
How embarrassing.
It's like a rogue dog, isn't it?
First day on the job.
Yeah. Oh, oh, he's off again. Here he come. Oh look, the crows are attacking him. Yeah, the crows are telling him to piss off now. Look. Oh, Travis, come on, mate. See how they're all ganging up on him. That's like having a buzzard, isn't it?
Yeah. Come on, Travis. Go back to your...
Yeah. He's on the gutter. Look at the amount of birds. Where's he gone? I've lost him. Where?
On the gutter.
No, he's moved.
Where it goes up and then flat, he's on that corner. Yeah. You know
Oh, near the chimney.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see him. I see him.
I'm not sure that bloke knows where he is. Like, go on.
Where's the whistle?
Let's have him. He's just shaking that, don't you?
Hey.
Travis ain't going off. You're off leads again. I'm not letting you off again.
Oh, and here we have.
How we doing? I let you off once, you know. He's never coming off. They've got 140 more birds. Travis lost his chance.
Yeah, 138.
Yeah.
No, 139.
Yeah.
There you are, look, he's back. Panic over. Good boy, Travis. He can have his chick now.
What sort of pork is it? Did he say?
He did say.
Can't remember.
I can't remember.
I think we should have porks in the city. I feel like they want to. Where is it?
Just on the wall, just there. Oh.
Oh, look.
Seagulls don't like it. No, not here. Did you see them? Birds in London. He doesn't look very sure, does he?
Good boy, Travis. Look at that. Good boy.